Okay, so let's take a look at how you can get hardware information inside Ubuntu. So what we'll do is we'll open terminal in Ubuntu, but this terminal is known as Delix. Okay. Once you open your terminal, what you can do is, first thing we'll learn about the distro we have. So lsp underscore release should give us that info. So use -a as an option. Here you can see distro is Ubuntu, description 20.04 release, focal fossa, right? So when you want to get your release information, you use lsp underscore release, then space -a. Next thing what we'll do is we'll get information related to CPU, so ls CPU, and here you can see the information, okay, about our processor. So considering this is an inside VirtualBox, it won't be showing you the exact details, only what it has managed to capture. Okay, next thing, there is one more command, lsusb, that tells you about USB information attached to your system. Okay, similarly, if you want, you can also get PCI device information using lspci. Okay, currently you can see all this information is collected by VirtualBox, so it won't be same as my real hardware, but you get the idea how to get the same for your device, right? So next thing is we can also get time date information by typing in time date ctl. Okay. And here you can get this local time, universal time, RTC time, and time zone. This information is synced since your time of installation of this distro, so time zone remains that. You can change this by going to your settings and making changes to time zone. Okay, now there is one more information, is how your distro collects hardware information, and there is one command that you can access through sudo. So Linux hardware lshw short. Okay, it will ask me for my password and it will generate big list, okay, of all things connected to the device. Okay, but considering this is virtual machine, so it won't be accurate. Now next thing, there is also one more option that you can try out, inxi dash capital F xz, and this will also generate short information about system, machine, battery, CPU, graphics, and other details. This is much better formatted, so this is the command you should remember, inxi space dash capital F xz, right? Now there is a simple command named free that will show you free and used memory, and you can get the details about that. Okay, then I would recommend installing sudo apt install hwnfo, which should show you the hardware information, right? So type in hwnfo and it will generate a big list, around 32 para worth of information. Okay, so you can shut it down to hwnfo and then short. Okay, this will show shorter version of that info, hwnfo dash short, and it will give you typical idea of your system. Next comes your Linux kernel information. So we use uname -r to get that. So this is 5.8.0.44 generic. This is the version that is installed with my Ubuntu Budgie. So you get the idea about various hardware information commands in Ubuntu Linux.